M115 Abstract Algebra. Good day, I'm Hazel Estadeo from BS Ed Math 3B, and this is the continuation. Project 3, determine whether the group is cyclic and the cyclic subgroups. To classify whether a subgroup is cyclic subgroup, the following condition must be satisfied. The subgroup must be an abelian. We must classify if it's abelian if the elements on the table are symmetric from its diagonal. The subgroup must be at least one generator. Note, generator is an element that generates all the elements of the set. So, unahin natin dito sa improper subgroup, which is si J. So, ito yung pinaka-original table natin. And then yung J is contains H, A, Z, E, L, S, T, D, O, M, N, C, P, I, X, R, and their binary operation. So, ito yung pinaka-diagonal natin, yung may mga violet circle. So, pa-diagonal siyang pa-ganyan. And then, as you can see here, N operates T is M, while T operates N is O. So, hindi sila symmetric. Kumbaga, itong side na to, sa baba, is hindi siya symmetric sa taas. So, we can conclude that this is not abelian. Therefore, this subgroup is not a cyclic since one of the condition fails. And for the next one is proper subgroup. Yung pinakaunang proper subgroup, which is si J sub 1. So, it contains H, A, Z, E, L, S, T, D, and their binary operation. So, again, let's check if it is abelian. So, using the diagonal, itong mga may violet na circle. And then, as you can see, it is abelian kasi nga, yung itong baba na to is symmetric siya sa taas. So, it is abelian. And it has a generator which is generator A. So, ito, si A contains J, E, L, S, T, D, H, A. So, ito yung generator na kung saan nasakop niya yung lahat ng element. So, therefore, this subgroup is acyclic since it is abelian and has a generator. Next is J sub 2. It contains H, A, L, D, M, and P, R under binary operation. So, using diagonal, we can see here, itong mga nakabilog na yellow-green, hindi siya symmetric. So, hindi symmetric tong ilalim na to, tsaka yung nasa taas. So, we can conclude na hindi nga symmetric hindi nga abelian itong J sub 2. Katulad din nitong J sub 3 na it contains na H, E, L, S, M, C, I, X under binary operation na hindi rin siya symmetric kasi nga itong si X and P is hindi sila parehas. So, M operates E is X while E operates M is P. And dito rin sa J sub 2, M operates A is R while A operates M is I. So, these two proper subgroups are not abelian. Therefore, these two subgroups is not acyclic since one of the condition fails. Next is J sub 4. So, J sub 4 is contain JZL, Z, HZLT under binary operation. So, it is abelian. Kasi, tignan nyo nga naman sa table, yung baba nito, ito yung pinaka-diagonal. So, itong baba is symmetric siya sa itaas. So, it is abelian. So, let's see if it has a generator. And, as you can see here, the generator is J and T. T. So, therefore, this subgroup is cyclic since it is abelian and has a generator. For J sub 5, J sub 6, J sub 7, J sub 8, these four proper subgroups are abelian. Kasi nga kung papansinin nyo, isa-isa itong table, symmetric yung bawat isa sa diagonal. So ito, katulad nito, itong baba is symmetric sa taas. And then dito rin sa J sub 6, itong baba is symmetric sa taas. Ganon din sa J sub 7 and J sub 8. So, sa J sub 5, ito yung mga generator. Sa J sub 6, ito yung mga generator. Sa J sub 7, ito yung mga generator. And J sub 8, ito yung mga generator. So, dito naman is, mapapansin nyo, sa mga generator is wala siyang generator. I mean, yung parang walang sumakop sa buong element. Kumbaga, mapapansin nyo dyan is, ang pinaka-highest lang na nasakop is 2 element. So, hindi nasakop yung pinaka-4 na element. Therefore, these 4 proper subgroups is not a cyclic since one of the condition fails. And for J sub 9, J sub 10, J sub 11, J sub 12, J sub 13, and for the trivial subgroup, which is J sub 14, it is abelian. Kasi nga, using the diagonal, makikita natin na symmetric nga yung baba at itaas ng iba't ibang group. So, ayan. Ayan. Pare-parehas lang na abelian. And, ito yung mga generator. Ayan. So, makikita natin na lahat sila is may generator. Katulad na lang sa J sub 9, ang na-generator dito is yung L. J sub 10 is generator is N. J sub 11 is generator R. J sub 12 is generator M. And J sub 13 is generator X. And for the trivial subgroup, J sub 14 is generator H. So, therefore, this subgroup is a cyclic since it is abelian and has a generator. So, we can conclude or therefore, out of 14 subgroups of our group, there are 8 cyclic subgroups. So, thank you.